Tick tocking while I'm walking with my docs and Millie rocking. Hit the roll and pop and lock it like a clock. Yeah, I've been straight flowing while I'm scrolling, losing focus. Hit the get up like I wrote it, run it back with all the motions. I've been tick tocking while I'm walking with my docs and Millie rocking. Hit the roll and pop and lock it like a clock. Yeah, I've been straight flowing while I'm scrolling, losing focus. Hit the get.
Guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do a little vlog video for you all. So as of right now, I am going to be getting ready to go shower and clean myself up and prepare for tomorrow, because tomorrow's another work day. But also tomorrow I intend to place an order for my Apple Watch. So I'm excited about that. It is going to be the Series 3 Apple Watch, and I think it's the black ceramic or the space gray ceramic, I'm not sure. But I want to get that one tomorrow. And yeah, I think that'd be really cool to have. I have my AirPods, which I've been loving since I got those a little after Christmas, but those have been working out very well for me. I've been enjoying them. They don't fall on my ears at all. The sound quality is great. But yeah, I'm just gonna get in the shower, and then tomorrow will be, I guess, possibly an Apple unboxing day. We'll see.